Alright guys, so if you saw my previous video, you saw where I was swapping these around. Well, I'm doing this mid-process because I want to just kind of show the difference between them. So here's our stock Goodyears, let's see, 265, 65, 18. So this is what comes stock, at least on my Z71. And you know, it's pretty decent sized tire. That's about all I got to say about it. Over here we've got my Atturo Trailblade MTs. Those are 33 1250s, and that's on a 22 by 12 ballistic rage wheel. So as you can see, there's not a huge height difference, but I'm going to get the measuring tape out and we'll see exactly what the difference is. All right, so measuring straight from the ground all the way here. See, yes, that's right about 33, in between 32 and 33 inches. It's probably 33 right at the top of the lugs, maybe a little bit shorter, just a touch. So if we come over here, we're looking at, it's right under 32 inches, so maybe 31 3/4. So not much difference in height. Let's turn them right here. We can check the width. So we're going to be try to put it to the edge, and to the edge it's right about 11.5 inches from the outside. Now if we do tread to tread, it's considerably smaller. We're looking at like just a hair over 8 inches on the tread. Let's see if I can show you. Right here to right here versus the whole outside. So here to here is about a little over 8, so not very much at all. If we come over here, looking at it much bigger, so we got from that edge. So honestly, this is a 1250. Mounted on this wheel, from the outside to the outside, we're looking at like 13 inches. Pull this back over here. A little over 13 inches. Now tread to tread, we're looking at a solid 10 inches, a little bit over that. So definitely much wider. Obviously that's probably like a, I don't know, 8-inch wheel, 9-inch maybe, and these are 12s. So definitely more contact on the Atturos than the stock as far as the width, but not much difference on the height. So I think that's why my speedometer is pretty much the same, because it's just barely over, you know, the stock size tires as far as the rotation goes. But the big difference, I believe, is going to be on the scale. So I've got this little house scale. I'm going to try throwing them on there. The factory wheels and tires are actually pretty light, and these are not that light. Not the heaviest. I don't believe they're near as heavy as like my 20 by 10s and 35-inch mud grapplers that I had on the Taco. Those were just insane heavy, but these are definitely going to weigh a lot more. So I'm going to try to prop it up, get these tires on there, and see exactly what they weigh. All right, let's start with the old stalkers. Let's see if I can't pull them around here. I'm just going to sit them right here on the center. And I'm just going to hold it with my finger so it doesn't fall off. So that's pretty heavy as well, almost 65 pounds, probably about 63. And if I hold it right there in the center, it's between 63 and 65, so not the lightest by itself either, but here comes the heavy boy, which hopefully I can get on here without knocking the camera stand and everything over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good gosh, man. Whoo-wee. So if this is measuring out correctly, we're looking at about 107 pounds. So that is quite the weight difference. Wow, that's actually pretty huge. These things are pretty heavy. So that's what's going to be hurting your gas mileage, your accelerations, your braking. It's going to be that rotational weight that is a lot different than the stock wheels and tires. Well, there you go. Pretty big difference. Looks like you're going to be looking at a 40 to 50 pound difference on, you know, the stock versus this setup at least. I'm sure, you know, you get some nice forged wheels or something, they're going to be lighter. But most people are going to be running something similar to this. Maybe not as 22, but let me know what y'all think. I'll see y'all in the next one.